The U.S. housing market is in a state of flux right now. Many are expecting more declines in home prices to come. Following Fed Chair Jerome Powell's recent declaration that the market requires a reset to bring prices and other economic variables closer in line, the U.S. has indeed seen deflationary pressures begin to take hold within the last few months. This has resulted in the second biggest post-World War II home price correction since 2007, down 2.4% since peaking in June. This kind of deflation can be beneficial for the Feds when it comes to reining in runaway inflation. However, for the people who are looking to purchase properties, understanding these trends and how they may affect the overall economy is critical. For instance, while some deflation could be expected to help create more affordable housing options, real estate prices still need to be sustained at a reasonable level in order for most people to be able to afford them. This means that buyers must consider both supply and demand when examining their potential investments. To ensure that everyone involved can benefit from a healthy housing market moving forward, it's essential for us to stay up to date on changes like these and to consider strategies for cushioning any potential losses along the way. Doing so will allow us to thrive despite market volatility. To find out how the market is affecting your home price, contact me for a free market analysis of your home. Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe so you never miss an update from our team.